everyone. Today we are going to learn some colors name and small letter alphabets. Light yellow color, maroon color, brown color, orange color, light pink color. This is also light pink color, black color, red color, light orange color, sky blue color, olive green color, green color, sea green color, dark pink color. A for aeroplane. For aeroplane. B for blueberry. C for cat. D for dog. E for egg. Sky blue color, red color. F for flowers, red color, light orange color. G for grapes. H for hen. Black color. I for iron. J for juice. Orange color. K for king. Brown color. L for lemon. Light yellow color. M for mango. Maroon color. N for net. O for orange. P for pen. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for tree, red color. U for uniform, light orange color. V for violin, light pink color. Black color. W for watch. Black color. X for X-ray, light pink color. Orange color. Y for young. Brown color. Z for zebra. A for aeroplane. B for blueberry. C for cat. D for dog. E for egg. F for flowers. G for grapes. H for hen. I for iron. J for juice. K for king. L for lemon. M for mango. N for net. O for orange. P for pen. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for tree. U for uniform. V for violin. W for watch. X for x-ray. Y for young. Z for zebra. A, B,